In Instagram, schedule this reel option not showing problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix in Instagram schedule this reel option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, just go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram app is updated in latest version. Now open Instagram. Go to your profile. Click on three-line icon. Scroll down. Click on help option. Click on report a problem. Again click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Here explain your problem in details. After typing your issue, now click on send. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.